First disclaimer, guys. So this is my first time on the microphone. This is my first time to record on my channel. Unlike other videos that you've been seeing before, I've been using the text to speech to make my videos, but this time I have decided to take a chance here because this video is very short. So I know I'm not going to have much time on the microphone. So I will give it a try, guys, and see if you will like the sound. So let's get right into the business of today. So Wondershare Filmora have just popped up for a new update just some few hours ago, and it's a great feature, and I've decided to make a review about it, and that's the audio transitions. So let us see how does it work. So after showing you the audio transitions, I'm going to show you other two ways that I've been using to make a transition between my two audios if I am to link them. So actually in this video we have three ways that we can use to bring transition between our audio. So here I am in Wondershare Filmora, guys. So what I do first is to go to the audios tab and bring down my audios. I'll just take on the downloads right here, and any audio, bring them down so that I can show you how exactly you can make this thing work. Okay, right here, let me just split this audio because it's too long, and bring another one which is a different audio so that we can have our example as practical as it must be. So I'll pull it right here on the middle so that it comes closer to the other audio. Okay, so right here, what you do right here to bring your transition, the first transition in the upgrade, is you go to the transition tab, and right there, if you scroll down, you find a transition, the audio transition right here. When you click here, you find 1, 2, 3, 4 transitions. So we have 4 transitions in this first upgrade of transitions. So if you click the transition over here, you can actually hear the preview of the transition. Like in this case, let me make a try. So this is how the constant fade is, and there's a constant power, exponential fade, and this other fade. If you can bring this one down right here like this, and let us listen again. As you can hear, there's a transition between these two audios. It's different when you remove the transition and play. The first audio we just cut, while it's the next audio we will play without any particular order. You can hear that. So when you bring the transition between the two, there is actually a better way of transitioning. Let's try another one. So I think they are almost the same, and the differences are very small. Like if you look on these transitions, if you look right close, you see they have got different shapes. So the differences of this shape right here is what is going to tell the difference of how the transitions work. Okay guys, this is about the update. So let me show you my other two ways that I've been using to make the transition between the audios. The first one is you just drag this next audio down before the end of the first audio, and the next thing for you to do is to make a fade in of the next audio as you make a fade out of the first audio like this. So in this way we have created a transition like the ones we have in the newest update. So here you go. So the second option that I've been using to bring transition between my audios is the one that I use with keyframes. I've never recorded a tutorial about this before, about the keyframes on the audios, but I've just put it on this. It's very simple, you see it right now. So what you do is when you select your audio, you are going to see the properties of the audio right here on the right side if you are using this same layout, but on other layouts it is on the left side of the preview screen. So what you do right here is you add a keyframe, the volume keyframe, where you want your transition to start. as you can see right here, there's a transition that is showing up in the audio timeline. So what you're going to do, let's pull it right somewhere here and make sure it's due on 00. Well, I put 3 zeros right there. So what you do right here is you move your playhead to the end of this first audio and go back to the volume and reduce the volume. So you find out that another keyframe is automatically added because you have changed the properties. And then you drag the second audio underneath. On the first frame, you add a keyframe, and then you reduce the volume on the first frame this time around. And right here, you can increase and put it back to 00. So you can just make the distance between your keyframes to be long. Like you can start your fading somewhere here. You can make your fading somewhere right here, around here. And also extend it on the other audio to make the transition actually longer. This is all in this video, guys, so thank you so much for watching. I would like to hear from you guys. What do you say about my voiceover of this video? If it is right for you, then I'll continue making more videos in this way. But if it is not right, then I will have to go back to the text to speech. You can click one of my videos on the screen to see something else.